Join me as I dive deep into the current state of SE stock and try to figure out what's really going on right now. SES is a global leader in satellite-based internet services, providing connectivity to underserved communities and remote areas around the world. With a focus on bridging the digital divide, the company has become a hot topic in the market, and its stock performance has been under the microscope lately. So, what exactly is going on with SES stock, and why is it making headlines? Well, the truth is that the company is facing some significant challenges that are affecting its stock performance. One of the major concerns is the rising competition in the satellite industry, with new players entering the market and offering competitive pricing and services. This increased competition is putting pressure on SES's revenue growth and profit margins. Additionally, SES has been dealing with some operational issues, including a recent outage on one of its satellites, which has resulted in lost revenue and damaged customer trust. Furthermore, the company's efforts to pivot towards newer, more lucrative markets, such as 5G and IoT, are taking longer than expected to materialize, causing some investors to lose patience. And to make matters worse, SES has also been facing some regulatory headwinds, particularly in Europe, where governments are increasingly looking to limit the dominance of satellite operators. On top of all these challenges, the overall market sentiment has been rather bearish, with investors becoming increasingly risk-averse and seeking safer havens. This has led to a sell-off in many high-risk, high-reward stocks, including SES. All these factors combined have resulted in a significant decline in SES's stock price over the past few months, leaving many investors wondering what's next for the company. So, what's influencing SES stock, and why are investors so spooked? Well, a major factor is the company's recent earnings reports, which have been disappointing, to say the least. The numbers have missed expectations, and the guidance has been lackluster, causing many to question the company's growth prospects. Additionally, the ongoing competition from other satellite operators, such as OneWeb and SpaceX, is keeping investors on edge. And let's not forget about the regulatory environment. Any changes to the rules governing satellite operations could have a significant impact on SES's bottom line. Furthermore, the shift towards 5G and IoT is creating new opportunities, but also new complexities, for SES. The company needs to navigate these changing market dynamics, while also dealing with the increasing costs of launching and maintaining its satellite fleet. And as if all these factors weren't enough, the ongoing pandemic has created uncertainty around global supply chains and demand for satellite services. But despite all these challenges, SES still has a lot going for it. The company has a strong track record of innovation and has been making significant investments in its technology and network. And let's not forget about its enviable position in the satellite industry. SES has a broad portfolio of customers and a solid reputation for reliability and quality. So, what's the key insight or turning point for SES stock? Well, many experts believe that the company is at an inflection point, and its ability to navigate these challenges will determine its future success. In particular, the upcoming earnings report will be crucial in shaping investor sentiment around SES. If the company can deliver a strong set of numbers and provide clear guidance on its future plans, it could be a major catalyst for the stock. Additionally, any positive developments on the regulatory front or significant wins in the 5G and IoT markets could also provide a much-needed boost to SES's share price. So, to summarize, SES stock is facing some significant headwinds, including rising competition, operational issues, and regulatory challenges. However, the company still has a lot of potential, and its ability to navigate these challenges will determine its future success. Thanks for watching, and I want to hear from you. What do you think about SES stock, and do you think it can recover from its recent slump? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my previous video on stock market trends, where I dive deeper into the broader market dynamics and what they mean for investors.